So many Apple users are facing this type of annoying error on their iPhone and iPads. Your payment method was declined, update it or provide a new payment method and try again. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix this type of error. So we have some tricks to solve this problem. So first of all, what you need to do is just go back to your home screen, and what you have to do is just you have to make sure that the expiry date for your credit card isn't over. And if the expiry date is over, you have to up to date your credit card, take a new one or update it. And if this isn't the case, we have some solutions to solve this problem. So for first method, what you need to do is just open up here settings app on your device, and then tap here on your Apple ID banner name, and then from here tap on password and security, and from here tap on change password and change your Apple ID password here. So give here your iPhone passcode, and then here give your new password for your Apple ID and verify that one, and tap here and change, and your Apple ID password will be changed. And from here check whether problem has been fixed or not. And if this trick doesn't work for you, then what you need to do is just here sign out your Apple ID, and then turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then turn back on and sign in with your Apple ID and check whether problem has been fixed or not. So hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the problem still isn't fixed, then go for the second method. For that, again open up here settings app on your device, and then scroll it down here and tap on general. Again scroll it down here all the way and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and tap on reset, and from here tap on reset network settings, because there may be some network issue. So give here your passcode and tap here on reset network settings to confirm the process. This will delete all network settings, returning things to factory defaults, and no media or data will be erased. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. And if all of these tricks doesn't work for you, then go for the final and important one. For that, again here tap on your settings icon and tap here on Apple ID, and from here tap on media and purchase it, and now tap on view account. And now from here what you need to do is just here is the country or region, so tap on this, and now tap on change country or region. And from here you have to make sure that you have to select the country from which your credit or debit card is made. So carefully I'm selecting here my country as United States, and then here some terms and conditions, so read them carefully, and then tap here on agree. You have to agree to them. Again tap here on agree to confirm the process, and then here is the payment method. So here you have to enter your correct information about your expiry date and CVV number. So for payment method, in my case I'm selecting for example here at none, and then here you have to give your billing information. You can put some fake one as well, and here you have to give your state. So I'm selecting here my state as California, and here carefully you have to give your zip code for your state. If you don't know about the zip code for your state, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app. In my case the zip code for the California is 90201, and here you have to give the phone number. You can put fake one as well, and then tap here on next, and now tap on done. So that's it. So hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is find to be helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any problem let me tell in the comment. I'll help you more. Thanks for watching.